may I eat, so suck it up and just watch. Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl Choreo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I wanted to do this video because I know a lot of you weren't able to join the live premiere when I soft launched the Chrisfit brand. First question is, what exactly is Chrisfit? So Chrisfit is a rebranding of just Choreo. This is me just bringing the community into this safe space where we can trust each other, where we can meet and interact on a deeper level. New shiny hotness are gone. We did some testing of a few products and now we know what works and we know what don't work. Chicken breast. That's lean. That's full of protein. Make my muscles big and strong. So, what work? What you can expect? Continue dance tutorials because you don't know so your girl can break a dance movement down. But can break a dance movement. I don't know anybody in the world right now, a world my god, who can break down dance movement like me. And I know somebody out there is saying, "Oh, Chrissy, why you don't come on tour?" Here's the thing. I'm going to go on tour. I've never been on a solo tour, right? But I've been on tours where I represent my country, like the National Dance Theatre Company, right? But there's this part of me who will know exactly when that time is gonna be. So, is it at the forefront of my mind right now? Not really, because really and truly, to me, what it looks like to me when I see other person's posts is it's just me doing exactly what I'm doing virtually. It's just that I'm getting up, taking my lazy ass out of bed to go and stand up in front of people. I want to know that when I decide that I'm going to go on tour, when I'm going to flood the bldclt stadium. If you're a diva, just accept it. I'm a motherfucking diva. Guys. Anyway, I'm in a share bed. Anyway, I'm in a share room. I'm in a share care. Anyway, I'm in a share band. I don't know all that dropping, but I just feel like I need to put that in. What were we talking about? Yes, Chrisfit is Choreo, shiny and new, authentic, genuine, and to the point. So what is sticking? We said dance tutorials are going to be sticking and staying. Sensual Stretch, I'm going to be dropping links in the caption below so you can see all the latest videos. All the playlists are now being curated to a point where you can, one time you come on Choreo page for the persons who have been here for a long time. Love you guys like food. Matter of fact. No, sir. Choreo, it's a kind of scrambled all the place. Now we've curated playlists. So you can go to my playlist them and say, oh, sensual stretch. Oh, booty workouts. Oh, full body workout. Oh, flat belly thing this up. You understand? So we've curated playlists for that. Rehab, I'm also gonna be incorporating meals. I'm gonna start from now. Right now I'm having a balanced meal. There's a grilled chicken. This is fries, carbohydrates, ketchup is on it, and these are vegetables, steamed veg. Alright? Now, I know some people are going to be like, oh, but you eat fries. Yeah, I eat fries. As long as you're eating things in moderation, then you're good. Right? Eat things in moderation. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in another video. Like I said, we're going to be talking about everything that makes Choreo. What I want. So in terms of rolling out programs, as I mentioned before, Chrisfit is new and defined, right? One time gone, I used to only have the 6-month program. Now, we haven't dropped all the products that we're rolling out just yet. But so far, I'm going to drop a flyer right here. These are the 2 urgent ones that you need to sign up for, right? Choreo, get ready with me for Carnival. That's 3 virtual sessions, 1-hour dance sessions. They're going to be online. It's going to be at $65 for the whole bundle if you're buying them together. However, if you're buying them singly, it's $25 for one. So you can do drop-ins, but it's $25 versus $65 for all 3. The other one back here is my all-woman empowered sensual virtual retreat. Now, we've had one of these every month since December. We had one in December, one in January, setting intentions. We had one in February, and we're going to have another one in March. March will be aligned with Women's Day. Women's Day is Friday. I'm so sorry. It's Friday. the 8th, and so this is going to be on the 10th. The first soca dance class starts on the Saturday. That's the 9th. All right, so we have a busy weekend. So this first soca class will be Saturday the 9th. The second one will be the 16th, the 23rd, the 30th of March. We're going to have one in person. So that's going to be the last of my soca series, and I'm going to have that in person. I'm not going to be streaming that live one, the one on the 30th that I'm having in person at a studio here in Jamaica. I'm not going to stream that, but the soca class starts this Saturday. The women's retreat starts this Sunday online. Now, because these things are happening so close together, I've decided to bundle them and offer a Women's Day treat gift to you all, right? So you can buy everything for $100. So you can get 3 of my soca classes, which is going to feature twerking, whining, choreography, right? And as well, the Empowered Women's Sensual Dance Retreat, a virtual experience. So all 4 I'm giving for $100. I'm doing personal training different, okay? In order for you to be trained by me, I need you to fill out this form. It's an intake form, and what this will do for me is that it will tell me who you are, what is that you want, if you are able to take part in this program, if you qualify for the program. Essentially, I have a lot of persons who want to train with me, and I am over the moon about it. I'm so happy, right? But I'm only one person. I have to do this by way of application. Okay, it's I am so thankful, but I do have to do this by application to see who is really, really serious. So this is my intake form. Click on it, fill it out, send it back. Now I'm going to go through these intake forms. We check out those intake forms. We discuss your goals. We do an assessment. And then we can do one of 2 things depending on what you want to pay for. You can either pay for me to create a program for you, and then this program is what you will follow. So whether you want to go and get a trainer to train you using my program that I curated for you based on my assessment of you as a rehab specialist, a personal trainer certified, and a dance instructor, you can use my expertise and just ask them, hey, this is what Choreo gave me. Please just guide me through this. Or you could do it in such a way where I curate the program, yes, you can still have it, but I will guide you through it. All right, so there's a cost difference for the 2 services. So what I want you guys to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on all post notifications. The next thing, if you're really, really serious about your health, your fitness journey, go to my website, wait a little bit, a couple seconds. You will see a pop-up that says download my free ebook, send me an email. So basically put in your email, right? When you join my mailing list, the incentive, the gift is my free ebook. So each time a person signs up for my mailing list, the incentive is my free ebook, and the free ebook is associated with a free workout playlist on YouTube. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel, from the playlists, you select Empowered Woman Workbook Exercises, you will find all the exercises demonstrated. Okay? So, you can't lose. Your fitness journey is very important. You need to stay up to date with what Chrisfit is doing. Don't get left behind. Join, hop on the bandwagon right now, because things are about to get super crazy. Okay? We have a number of things in store for you. We've recorded several videos. I can't wait to roll them out. We have lots of new programs and offerings for you. 2 of the most important ones I had mentioned before, the Get Ready With Me Carnival dance and the Sensual Dance Retreat. Those are coming up. This is all about community. This is about helping women helping women. This is not just my brand, this is your brand. So don't feel like, oh, you're coming on here and it's whatever Chris says, that's what I'm going to roll with. No, I want your input in this, because at the end of the day, we're all women, but we're not all of the same DNA. We express things different ways. We have different body types. We like different hair, different lipstick, different eyeshadow, different preferences we all have, right? But that doesn't mean that because we're different we won't be able to gel, right? That's exactly why I want you, because our tribe is all about authenticity and expressing ourselves in many different ways and loving ourselves for the genuine, for the authentic persons that we are. I'm not asking anybody to become Chris Choreo. I'm asking you to become your true self and to shine your light wherever it is that you are. And I hope that don't sound corny, because really and truly inside me, I feel so passionate when I'm saying that. But I literally want this to be a community of serious women who literally care about them health, care about others. They're empathetic. Like, I want to go back to the days when women used to care about things. You understand? That's what I want Chrisfit to be about. I don't want it to be a thing where, oh, you do this and you're gonna be a Barbie, you're gonna be a Dolly. I'm not into that. I'm not into that. I feel like when I can feel it through the screen, right? I'm not into that. I want real women who want grown fucking conversations over here. Okay, so drop comments below what you want to see. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, join my mailing list, get my free ebook, start working out from now. Let's just have fun with this. All right? Mwah. I'm so happy that you're here and you are seeing Chrisfit evolve. Chris Choreo has evolved in the Chrisfit, and I'm so happy that you are alive and well to see the evolution. Big up on yourselves. Mwah.